Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best dream catcher beads is probably one of the most enchanting and versatile crafting components you can add to your collection, allowing you to infuse your handmade dream catchers, jewelry, or decorative pieces with a touch of bohemian elegance and spiritual significance, transforming simple projects into captivating works of art that truly stand out. Number 5. Dremisland Moon Dream Catcher with Fairy Lights. This beautiful piece features 100% handmade woven beads and a magical turquoise pendant. Its vivid feathers and rich colors are crafted to never fade, ensuring it remains super dreamy. It comes with integrated string lights, casting a bright, colorful LED glow that enhances its dreamy and romantic appeal. Its multicolor design makes it an ideal match for any room's decor. Rooted in a beautiful legend, this item is believed to pray for peace and bring good luck. Hanging it in your space can help drive away nightmares, guiding you towards sweet dreams. It makes an ideal craft gift, bringing good dreams to children, lovers, or girls. Present it as a token of love and surprise for special occasions like Thanksgiving, Christmas, or birthdays. Imagine your room's wall elegantly adorned with this unique piece, instantly enhancing its ambience. Whether for your own space or a child's room, it will bring the peaceful vibes you're seeking. What we like. This product stands out with its integrated fairy lights and vibrant, handmade design. If you're looking to add a magical, romantic glow to a bedroom or living space, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for those who appreciate both aesthetic beauty and the symbolic meaning of good dreams. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points about dream catcher beads could be extracted. Number 4. KISSITTY Tibetan Antique Silver Spacer Beads. Introducing the KISSITTY Tibetan Antique Silver Spacer Beads. These versatile beads are perfect for men's DIY jewelry and craft making, adding a unique touch to any project. They come in a wide range of assorted sizes, from 4.5 mm to 18 mm in diameter, with varying hole sizes. Plus, they're neatly organized in a handy plastic container for easy access. With 10 different sizes and 30 pieces of each, you get a total of 300 metal beads in one box. This ensures you have plenty for multiple creations. These beads are essential for holding multiple necklace or bracelet strands in perfect alignment. They also effectively prevent tangling, keeping your designs neat and professional. Their sophisticated and ideal design adds truly eye-catching accents to your creations. You can confidently wear your unique pieces everywhere you go. Easily match them with your favorite contrast beads to craft stunning earrings. Or, incorporate them as elegant spacer pairs in a beautiful beaded necklace, making your jewelry truly unique. What we like. These versatile spacer beads offer a wide range of sizes and a classic antique silver finish. If you're a jewelry maker needing to align multiple strands or add sophisticated accents, this collection is ideal. It provides ample quantity and variety for diverse DIY craft projects. What people say. Number 3. THARAHT Pheasant Plumage Feathers 120 PCS Natural Yellow. Discover THARAHT's exquisite pheasant plumage feathers. This pack contains 120 natural pieces, each 2 to 3 inches, in a vibrant yellow. They are perfect for adding a touch of elegance to all your DIY projects. Rest assured, these are 100% genuine natural feathers, collected only after natural shedding. They have been professionally cleaned, steamed, and sanitized to ensure they are perfectly safe and hygienic for all your creative needs. Unleash your creativity with these versatile feathers. They are ideal for Thanksgiving crafts, creating beautiful feather garlands, or adding unique touches to cake toppers. Transform your events with their luxurious appeal. These feathers are perfect for wedding centerpieces, party decorations, or adding a romantic flair to masquerade decor. They will make any celebration more beautiful. Maintaining their beauty is simple. Just gently move them to remove any dust, never wash them with water. For long-lasting ductility, store them in a cardboard box or paper tube. At THARAHT, we are committed to providing the highest quality products. Our goal is to ensure a worry-free purchase and a distinguished service experience for you. What we like. This large pack of natural pheasant feathers is ethically sourced and meticulously cleaned. If you're working on larger craft projects like wedding centerpieces or elaborate dream catchers, these provide a luxurious touch. They are perfect for adding elegance and natural texture to various decorations. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract points as the source JSON is empty. Number 2. TOAOB 8mm Mixed Crackle Glass Beads Kit. Discover the unique beauty of these crackle beads. Their special cracked look enhances light reflection, creating dazzling visual effects for all your projects. This kit offers 10 distinct styles, ensuring you have a wide palette to choose from. With 200 pieces, including 20 of each color, you'll have plenty for all your creative needs. Measuring about 8mm in diameter with a 1.3mm hole, they are perfectly sized for crafting. You can easily design your own bracelets, necklaces, and other beautiful ornaments. No more searching for beads. They come neatly sorted by color in a convenient plastic storage container. This makes them easy to carry and store, keeping your workspace tidy. These versatile beads are perfect for a wide range of DIY projects. Use them for necklaces, earrings, decorations, or even unique gifts for family and friends. What we like. These crackle glass beads offer a unique visual effect with their internal light reflection and vibrant mixed colors. If you like adding sparkling, eye-catching elements to your bracelets, necklaces, or other DIY jewelry, these are a fantastic option. The included storage container makes organization simple and convenient. What people say. Number 1. SUNYIK Indian Agate Large Hole Rondelle Beads. Discover the beauty of natural stone with these exquisite beads. Each pack contains 20 pieces, perfect for your next creative project, and even comes with a complimentary burlap pouch. These beads feature a generous 5 to 6mm center drilled hole, making them incredibly versatile. They are meticulously polished on both sides, ensuring a smooth and elegant finish for all your designs. Unleash your creativity with these versatile charms. They are ideal for European-style charm bracelets, necklaces, pendants, and various other jewelry makings, adding a touch of natural elegance. Not just for jewelry, these beads are also excellent for dream catcher supplies. Use them with caprice chains, leather laces, or fiber cords to create unique and meaningful handmade items. As natural stone beads, their unique stripes and colors may vary, making each piece truly one of a kind. We ensure you receive a beautiful selection, ready to inspire your next masterpiece. Measuring approximately 14 by 8mm and weighing 1 to 2.5 grams each, these beads have a substantial feel. Their comfortable size makes them easy to work with for all your crafting needs. What we like. These Indian agate beads feature a generous 6mm hole, making them perfect for European-style charm bracelets. If you're looking for natural stone elements to string with thicker cords or create unique, earthy jewelry pieces, these are an excellent choice. Their natural variations add an authentic, organic feel to any design. What people say. The beads are designed with attention to detail, enhancing the aesthetic of any craft project. They offer a consistent quality and finish, suitable for various creative applications. Their versatile nature makes them a valuable component for diverse crafting needs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.